What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're back again this week with another video for you. So today I'll be making a water monitoring system. This system is quite easy and can be made with many different things. For example, you can make this with an LCD or LEDs. I'm using LEDs because it's much easier for people to understand how LEDs work, and it's just much less wiring and it's easier for people to see.
We want you guys to go down there, smash that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 250 subscribers, so let's make it there.
For this video you'll need an Arduino. You can use any Arduino. I'm using Arduino Nano because it's smaller and easier to use. And you'll need 3 breadboards. One breadboard is under here and these are 2 more. You'll need 5 LEDs, 5 220 ohms resistors, an ultrasonic sensor, a battery, and a cable to upload the code. The first thing you need to do to build this is put down all the LEDs on the breadboard. For this I'll put the longer pin on the left side. So like that. You'll do this 5 times to all the LEDs. The longer pin is on the left side, so if you're going to build this you have to do it like that. Now you put the resistors on the shorter pin, which is on the right side. The shorter pin is right there, and you put the resistors down over here. So here's how the LEDs look like when the resistors are connected. Now it's time to attach all the GND pins. For this, put one wire on the longer pin of each LED and connect it on one of these rows. Now you have to connect all the GND pins to the same row. I'm using this row right here. Make sure the wires from your GND are not touching the resistors wires, or else that'll mess up your circuit and you'll end up breaking something. Make sure your last wire is connected on a different row, because the GND from your Arduino Nano is going to connect right over here, and if you connected it here, then there will be no space left for the last LED. So what you have to do is connect a wire from here to another row and connect your last LED's wires to the same row that you extended the GND to. Now you extend your GND wire from your Arduino Nano or any Arduino that you're using onto the second row that you connected all the wires to. There. And that's the GND connected. Now it's time to connect the source pins to the LEDs. Next step is to extend the resistors wires to the analog pins. I'm gonna extend the first resistor pin to analog pin number 4. Analog pin number 4 is right here, so that's where the first one goes. We're going to do this from 4 to 0. The next resistor is right over here. This one goes onto analog pin number 3. The third resistor goes onto analog pin number 2.
And so on and so forth. And here's the last one.
Onto analog pin number 0. The next thing you have to do is connect the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino. You can see that there's GND, Eco, Trig, and VCC. The GND pin is this first orange wire. The first orange wire goes onto the GND pin on your Arduino Nano. Your GND pin is right here. The second GND pin is right there. Your Eco pin goes onto pin number 6. Digital pin number 6, which is right there. The Trig pin goes onto digital pin number 7, which is next to digital pin number 6. And the last wire goes onto the 5-volt pin, which is the VCC 5-volt pin. And this is two squares next to the first GND wire. And that's it. Your ultrasonic sensor has been connected as well. Now it's time to upload the code and test if it works. So guys, here is the final product. And here's my battery case. The battery is the blue thing right there. This is going to get taped on somewhere over here. And my Arduino and the whole thing is going to be like this. And this part's going to be glued in over here, so that I can detect when the water is rising.
So when we fill it with water, each time, one of these LEDs will turn on. So this LED means that the water is quite low. And if it's on this one, the water level is rising and rising and rising and rising. When it's at the yellow one, it's time to stop. Otherwise, your bucket will overflow.
So guys, now we have to plug in our battery. Our red wire, which in this case is the yellow one, it goes on the VIN pin, which is the 5 volts. It's the third pin on your breadboard, right there. And then it's the GND, which is right next to the VIN pin. And as soon as this light turns on, that means it's turned on.
Now guys, the bucket is empty right now and LEDs are not turned on yet. So as soon as you start putting some water, pay close attention to the LEDs. See that one LED is on right now. Okay, time for more water. Alright guys, so another LED is on. That means the water level is rising. Take a look. It's getting higher. Alright guys, we got our third LED on and the water level is rising. Time for a quick close-up. The water is getting higher.
We have a refill of water and we're adding more.
Our fourth LED is on now, and that means the water is almost near the sensor. There's a couple of inches till the sensor.
Time to add the last bit of water, and I hope I don't ruin my Arduino. There it is, the fifth LED has turned on. As you can see that the water is really close to the Arduino, and if the water gets any closer, you might accidentally fry your Arduino.
The water is pretty close to the Arduino, so that means the sensor did work and the project is a success.
That was it for this week's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, sub, and comment down for future video ideas. I'll surely look down and look at your comments to make sure that I don't miss on any other videos. This project was a huge success and the code will be in the description. This was a beginner's level project, so be sure to try it out. If you have any other questions, just tell me in the comments and I will answer them. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!